tested out of the box this powerful doorbell. This is amazing because it's PoE. So as you can see here, we have the G4 doorbell professional PoE kit. So let's change the camera so that way I'll show you everything that comes with this kit. So in the box, it doesn't say much than that, so I didn't see any specs or anything. So here you have the manual. So anyways, it's very easy to understand. Also, the thing is, if you go to their website, you will see all the instructions and everything, how to install it. But I'm going to show you how you can install this. So basically, let's see what we can get here. Surely in many languages, something that very few people is going to read. So here we have, I'll show you everything that came in the box, so that way we'll make it easier, faster. So here you are going to see the label. So if you have to install it on the wall, in this case, or if you want to make it run just in a lab for testing, here you have the clamp, so that way you can secure, you can release it basically. Here you have a few anchors and a few screws. Other than that, there is no many things that you can get here. So here you have the installation code, the thing that you have to download on your phone, and as you can see here, basically it says connect the Ethernet cord, and you should be able to make it run. And I'm going to show you this. So basically, when you buy this, you're going to get the chime, and you're going to get the box and everything that comes with it. So I'll show you everything. I have it here. So basically, this is what you're going to get. So this box is if you have to cut the wall and you want to have the chime, built inside of the wall. You do it like that. You make a hole, and then you're going to install this. So basically, I made another videos about this, but I'll show you here. It's very easy to understand. So basically, you're going to make a hole here, the same diameter as this, or always it have to be smaller than this. And then you're going to put it inside of the wall. Once you put it inside of the wall, you're going to use these screws that you see here. Basically, when you start screwing it, it will go like this, and it will, clamp the wall, the drywall, and that's it. So that is one way. And after you finish that, what you can do is just this. It comes with a magnet. So basically, you put it like that. It will cover it, and that's it. So it comes with the other option. If you want to put the chime maybe on the wall instead of making a hole on the wall. Maybe you don't want to make a hole on the wall. That will be another option. So this works very, very well. So basically, you have to align the locking mechanism with this. So basically, you put it like that, and then you lock it in place, and that's it. In this case, I don't want to lock it because it's a kind of a pain in the butt to release it. But here you have, it's fairly easy, but sometimes it's a pain in the butt. So basically, you have to put this here, push, and then you're going to be able to release it and take it out. So this goes, as you can see, here we have the screws. The screw goes here, put one screw here and the other screw there, or use the shorter one if you want to, whatever works for you. And you're going to put it like that. So here you have the screws, as you can see, put it on the wall. Once it's secure in place, here you have the gap, so that way you can run the Ethernet cord through here. You put this like I showed you before, lock it in place, and that's it. Make sure that you don't lose this, otherwise it's going to be difficult to remove it later. Once you do that, that's it. If you want to make sure that the hole is going to be perfectly aligned, or you're going to use this level that you see here. So basically you put it like that, make sure the level is in place, and that's it. So once it's good, make a hole here if you want to make it run the whole the cable through the wall. Otherwise, if you're going to be on the surface, just put the screw here, and that's it. And here, as you can see, this is the chime. So here you have the Ethernet port. Plug in the Ethernet cable, and that's it. So here we have the other the doorbell. This is amazing. This doorbell, as you can see, you have the camera here, and you have another camera on the bottom. So this is for the packages, and here you have a light. So basically you're going to put it like that, and then you're going to see the person that is, coming to your door, and when they drop the package, for instance, the Amazon guy, this camera will see, the package that you have here, and great. So that is how it's going to work. Here you have the this rubber boot. So basically you have to run the Ethernet cable through here. Once you put the Ethernet cable, you put this here, so that way it will protect it from water and everything. And that's it. Here you have the reset button, so just in case, if you have to reset it from factory, you forgot the access or something like that, you can do that. Or if you have to sell it, that will be another option. You just reset it from there. So here you have again, this is the label, as you can see here. So as you can see, that is the label. So you're going to put this on the wall, and then make sure that it's straight, and then you make the hole here, cut it in the middle if you want to, and then you can run it like that if the cable is going inside of the wall. Otherwise, if you're going to surf mount it, here you have the plastic, so that way you can run the cable through here, and then it goes here. So basically this goes like this. So you're going to mount the camera here first, or I mean not first, but this goes like that inside of this, and then this goes like this. So once you have everything in place, because you're going to run the cable through the gap that you see here, or from here, you're going to have the cable hanging here, and then you're going to put this like that. And then once you have it like that, you're going to use these screws. Usually, in this case, it will be the longest screw. That is why you have the shorter one for the other things. Once you have the screw in place, and the cable is hanging, you're going to be able to put this like this, and that's it. So again, if you have to release it, you can use this, to release it from here. Also, you're going to don't lose the tiny screw that you're going to see here. So that goes in that hole to keep it in place, and that's it. So very, very easy. And if you want to, for instance, if you want it to be slanted, in an angle, instead of using this one that is completely straight, you can use this one, and that's it. So you put it like that. It will be in perfect angle, and that's it. So that is everything that comes with this kit. And again, everything goes through the Ethernet cable. So you can, if you have a PoE switch, you're going to be able to power up everything, and everything should be good. And also this, you can hook it up anywhere. So you maybe you can buy more than one if you have a huge house. Otherwise, you can connect it, wherever you have the Ethernet port here. So later I'll do some testing on how to set it up and everything. Hopefully this video was useful. If you have any question, please let me know in the section below. If you want to learn more about this, go to the playlist. You will see all my classes over there. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. And as usual, I am in US. If you need parts, electronics, or anything like that, just let me know. I can ship it to you. Otherwise, if you're here in US, I'll leave you the link and you can buy it yourself. Thank you for watching. See you next time.